Introducing a new era of learning. While everyone is struggling with traditional classroom methods, discover a new way of learning that's engaging and effective. Learn from the comfort of your home with TheChosenField Academy. We combine expert educators with technology and interactive content to make learning fun and affordable. Our flexible schedules and comprehensive curriculum ensures your child gets the best education from home. Explore our range of courses like GCSE, IGCSE, IB, Test Prep, AP, EmSAT, Homework Help, Assignment Help, and Essay Writing. With our interactive whiteboard, we serve simple math. And remember the gravity of why that apple took a tumble? Have you ever pondered what makes an atom tick? Who do you think deserves the crown for inventing genetics, you or the good old Mendel? And who knew economics could be a blast? And as for coding, a piece of cake for you tech wizards. Wanna try it out yourself? Go ahead and book a completely free demo. Like the lesson or it's free.